just walking in to the upper workshop. Okay, I'm right at the end of the car. Alright. I'm here. Yeah. Yeah. Corey, how are you? Hi. How's it going? Hi. How are you, Tom? How are you? How are things? I can introduce membership.